Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and look how cute this card is. Guess what? We are releasing this Fold It right now on the Stamps of Life. Stay tuned. Are you ready? Let's jump in to our next release. So our release in September, the first one was Christmassy. Then we did some fall, because we can't forget fall and Halloween. And now we're back to a little bit more Christmas, because you can never have too much Christmas stuff. Am I right? I know, right? And one that's not really Christmassy, but it will work for some Christmassy gifts. So let's jump in. The first one is the big word Noel, because look at how awesome this is. We can make awesome cards like this. They fold to make an A2 size card base. Look how cute that is with our fun new snowmen, our happy snowmen. Then we're releasing Merry dies. Now, what do these dies look like? That looks like this. They're perfect for our gatefold card base. They lay on both sides of it. Merry, and then it has these cute little trees, and then you can say Christmas on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? They fit perfectly on our gatefold card base or other items, and I have some fun samples to share with you on that. Then we have a very limited, this one is very limited, so if you like it even this much, get it now before it sells out. It is simply, and I know it seems silly, but it's simply the words Be Merry. For some reason, I didn't order very many of these, and look how cute they are. This is a cute little tag set, to and from on the back, but look at how cute that is. Be merry, be merry, be merry. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Here's another one with Santa running, and he's, be merry. I love it. It's so cute. Now, last but not least for today, we have, and this is literally by popular demand, we have had so many requests for this. Every time I go online and we talk about things, everybody says, I need month dies, I need month dies. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll do it. So this is all 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And what do I mean? Let me show you. So here, I did show you a sneak peek early. December daily. Look how cute that is. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that cute? It's a cute little book. Then we have our 2024 goals. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Ready? What are your goals? We're going to have January, February. You can put a little picture in there. March. Isn't that cute? Then we have, you could do stuff like this. Happy 4th of, boom, July. Isn't that fun? Or you could use it with your creative decks. Look how cute this is. December, and you can have your cute little December on there for like maybe your birthdays and things like that. Cute little paper clip. And here's another one, August birthdays for your creative decks. Lots of options for creative decks. November birthdays. That's an open one. October birthdays, lots of fun. I think this might be a little bit of a sneak peek too, by the way. I don't remember if that dies out yet. Oh, here's a cute one. February 14th. Isn't that fun? Oh, here's a cute one. October. Love it. I know, you guys, there's so many options with those. You'd be surprised. Let's look at some more Be Merrys. So here's Be Merry. And you know what? It's like weird to think how many different ways you can do literally 2 words, right? Be merry here. Or be merry here. Look at this. Hang on. Let's open this. I like to show all different samples at the same time. Be merry here. Lots of totally different options. And don't forget the cute little, oh, be merry here. And don't forget the fun tags, you guys. Handmade tags on gifts are so much fun. And look how easy that is. Okay, that's the Be Merry. But wait, there's more. Because now, oh, Michelle made a cute little Noel pillow. Isn't that cute? Imagine putting this like on your tiered tray items or just anywhere decoration, a little on a shelf or on a mantle. How cute would that be? Love it. Let's look at our Noel cards. So here's a cute one in traditional red and green with fun snowflakes. Joy to the world. Ooh, here's a cute one with our nativity scene. Love it. Here's a fun one using our embossing folders, which I absolutely love. That's the mum one, but you can see it just adds a little bit more definition. Here's one in different colors. Here's one in more of a muted color. Muted color. And here's a purple one. Lots of options on that Noel, right? Now, let's jump into the Merry panel. So remember I said it's mainly I designed it mainly for the gatefold, but my friends, use it by itself on a regular card, right? Here's the tree set, because remember, it comes with both. So you are getting the Mary with a shadow die and the trees with a shadow die. So you can do this, or you can do this, right? Or you can do, remember our tree gatefold? Watch this. Mary's on the inside. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Or here we go, standard on a gatefold. Oh, I'm sorry. I take this back. This is a stand-up card. Look how fun that is. But it's on its side. Normally it would go like this. But who's this? Chris put it on its side. How fun is that? Mary. Then we have one. Let's not put them on panels. Let's just put them on the front of a card. Right? How easy is that? Then, oh, or we could do it in pink, because pink is awesome. And this is on the gatefold. Oh, let me open it up. This is on the gatefold. Open it up, and there we have our cute little message on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? My friends, you know the deal. I know you know the deal. If you're a club member, 15 to 20% off every single item. Usually when an item is brand new on our website, we release new items on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and we do re-releases on the 25th. The first 24 hours, most of those items are on flash sale. So not only is it our everyday low price, I dare you to compare our prices, our everyday prices, then we put it on flash sale. Then you get your club discount on top of that. It's amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.